Okay, I went ahead and removed the trimming from around the speedometer cluster, and it was held in by 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it snaps right out. Pretty easy to take out, and you have to unhook the 2 harnesses on the back side of it. Made my partner shop today, AD the paint man. Putting in a little work on the Monty. I already took the trim apart, took the light switch out. Got everything removed that I didn't want painted. Getting ready for paint. The corner section broke out of the trimming, but it's okay. I get another one when I go to a wrecking yard or something. All right, guys, I laid a couple of coats on it. I had to come back outside because it's a little too dark in there. So, bringing it into light, starting to get it covered good. And underneath the bottom, I'm not too worried about because that'll be around the steering column, so you won't really see that. The rest, I'm gonna make sure it's covered really good. It's getting there, but it's still a couple of bad spots on it. Probably one more should do it, and let it dry and start putting it back together. All right, I put my final coat over it. It's finally covered good. I used a whole can on this one piece because it would not stick in some places. I don't know if it was because of the chemicals used on it or whoever had it before me used All on it a lot. I don't know, but I cleaned it very well. I used degreaser and ammonia. It still would barely stick, but we finally got it covered. I'm gonna let it dry for a while before I start to put it back together. Went ahead and put the vent back in, light switch, let it dry probably another 30 minutes or so. I'm gonna put the 2 toggle switches back in and the indicator light, and I'm gonna bolt it back to the dash. And finally, I'll be done. And later on, like I said earlier, I'm gonna get another trim and replace it because this corner broke off. But right now, it's gonna look better than it did. And that was the goal. So, see you in a second. All right, sorry for the delay, guys, but we finally have the dash all finished up, put back together. I think it looks pretty good for 30 bucks. And a little work. Since I am a do-it-yourselfer, I don't mind it. I like getting my hands dirty. I like seeing things come together. YouTube has helped me out a lot with some of my past projects. That's what I plan on doing with my channel. Sharing some of the things that I'm going to be doing with my vehicles. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, or not.